Welcome to Challenge 4 in the Edabit C# Programming Challenges series. This one's called Remove the First and Last Characters. You are to create a function that removes the first and last characters from a string. Let's look at the examples. We have hello, 5 letters there. Notice we get the middle 3. The first letter and the last letter were peeled off there. Hopefully you can see this clearly with the other examples. Maybe has the middle AYB, benefit, and so on. Do pay attention to the note here. If the string is 2 or fewer characters long, return the string itself. And we see this shown in example 4 here, where we just got the letter A and we simply give it back. So let's move on to the coding. This is your chance to pause and do it yourself first, and give it an honest effort anyway. Okay, so let's cover that first part they went over in the note. We'll say if string length is less than or equal to 2, we're simply going to return the string back, right? So we're good there. After this point, we know we're dealing with 3 or more characters in the string. So the key to doing this one is to know about a member function in the string class. I don't think we've used in previous videos, but I can't remember. And which hopefully you came up with was this substring method. And there are 2 variations of it, either with 1 parameter or 2 integer parameters provided. If you give it 1 parameter like this, it says what index to start at for taking a substring. A substring you can think of as being like a subset of the characters within the string. It's a piece of it. So if I said 1, this would start at the second character. In that hello example, it would start at the E. Remember, we're dealing with 0-based stuff, so the number 1 corresponds to the second index. What we'll use, though, is the 2 parameter version, which allows you to specify the number of characters you want to grab after this index you provide. So in our case, we want all of the characters in the string except for the first and the last letter. So we're essentially removing 2 letters, right? One from the front, one from the back. So what I'll do is I'll take string length minus 2. And that's the number of characters I need for my result. And that's what is getting returned. Do review the Microsoft Docs if you'd like to learn more about substring. We talked about this. There are 2 overloads, a single integer and the double integer example. That's the one we used. They'll usually give you an example. I like to look at the examples to make it clear. But yeah, that information's there if substring is still unclear to you. So let's try running this. And there you go. This was nice and simple. The key, of course, is if you knew about this substring method, or if you found it in your search. It should have been pretty easy. It should have been in top results if you did a Google search for anything describing this situation. So, and that's fine too. That's not cheating. That's how people learn. That's how they find solutions. Nothing wrong with that. I do it all the time. Everyone else does too. So, thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.